What up, you guys, and welcome back to CHENG'S Aqua. And today we've got another box and an unboxing video of, it's nothing live or anything like that, but a cool tool that you should have in your aquarium. I think it's very helpful and beneficial, and it can help you guys, so I decided to make a video on it. Bought this on Amazon. Amazon link will of course be included in the description. This is what it comes like. I'm struggling to open the bag. Oh, there we go. So you get this for plants. And we also get this. The most important part that I wanted to get was this pH tester. Now, as you guys know, I've always used API test kits, but recently I wanted to try like the one I always use, and it was giving me a weird reading, so I ended up using another one, which gave me another completely different reading. And I've tried those multiple times, and they kept giving me messed up readings. So I ended up buying this again. It's my pH test kit. And this is what I bought it for. It also comes with a water hardness meter, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta check that after, but yeah. It comes with a how-to video, how-to instructions, how to calibrate. Yeah, it's telling me how to calibrate. I need to get 250 milliliters of distilled water to do this. So I just turned it on. I kind of want to see if it gives me any reading without me calibrating this first. On, dumped it in the water. Well, obviously this is incorrect because I know my pH is not at an 11. Let's just double check by putting it in this aquarium. Okay, so I do need to calibrate this. I don't know if I have to actually calibrate it. Maybe this is just wrong. Let's just add some water into this container. About halfway. We're gonna do the green one. Let's test the pH in this first before I do that. Exactly how does this work? Wait 30 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna turn it on. I'm gonna dump it in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, it's giving me a reading of 9.18, which I know is incorrect. So I guess we're gonna do these the other way. So we're gonna use this pH puffing powder, buffer powder. Hopefully this works, to be honest. Dump this stuff in there. Okay, calibration test, clean electrical toad. add the pH powder, which I did. I need to stir it. So I have a stir. Should get a 6.8. 8 something. Turn it on. Wow. So let me restart this, put this in there. 8 points. Ah, where did you go? It was working a second ago. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now it's supposed to be calibrated. So you're supposed to hold it down for 3 seconds and it'll calibrate automatically to 6.86. Okay, and then clean it with distilled water. I wonder if I need to do that with all of them. So I'm gonna first clean this off and see if I actually need to use all the powders. If not, I'm gonna just go with this. See, this seems more about accurate. 7.34. Okay, that's pretty accurate. We're gonna go with that. I believe it's at a 7, so. That works. Anyway, yeah. This test kit isn't expensive. I think they paid like 20 bucks for 3 things. I would recommend to get a more expensive one. I might still end up doing that, but this is gonna work better than my test kit anyway. So, yeah, do I recommend buying one? Yes. Do I recommend this specific one? Probably not. I'd probably spend a little bit more money and get the better version. But this is what's gonna work for me for the next week or two. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully you did like the video, and I can make more videos like this if you just like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I see you in the next video.